In certain condition, user might want code to raise an exception when some condition is not fulfilled. He can do so by using throw keyword. So here is our main class, that is E1, and within this class I'm declaring three integer variable A, B and C. Now here we want that the code should raise exception or throw an exception when addition of A and B is less than or equals to 50. So here I'm assigning the value of A as 10 and B as 40. So its addition is going to be 50. So here we are putting code in try block, and here we are saying C equals to A plus B. So its addition is equals to 50. And here we are giving condition if C is less than or equals to 50, then in that case it should throw arithmetic exception. So throw new arithmetic exception. It will throw exception only when this value of C is less than or equals to 50. If it is more than 50, it is not going to throw exception. After that, we are going to print the value of C. We have given try, so we have to give catch relevant to it. And here we have to put arithmetic exception. And here we can put any message. Right now I'm putting C is less than 50. Less than 50. So how this code is going to work? Here we have given the value of A and B as 10 and 40 respectively. Here we are doing addition of A and B, and here we are setting condition if addition is less than or equals to 50, then only it should throw arithmetic exception. Otherwise it should print the value of C. So when it is going to throw exception when value of addition is less than or equals to 50, then it is going to come here and print C is less than 50. So it is saying C is less than 50. If we change the value of B here from 40 to 60, then it is not going to print C is less than 50. It is going to print value of C. So if we run it, C equals to 70. Value of C is equals to 70. So this way we can, or user can raise an exception when certain condition is not met.